Alright guys, we're back at Tim's house with the new G. Got Jacob here too.
Where's the OG?
We got the OG and the new G. We didn't even like point this out in the other video, but yeah, it's an auto slush box.
It is an auto.
But that's not gonna stop him from beating on it.
Not one bit.
So alright, we're gonna do our first test drive with 3 people, right?
It'll be lit.
Not sure how this is gonna go with those rear wheels looking like that, but we got a little bit of clearance there, so let's see how it goes. All the beauty shot training will be worth it.
Oh wait, the guy's still down there. I see his dog.
Yeah, it says open diff is my crown.
Yeah, it's sick. Yep.
That was super disappointing. Just understeer.
I think it's just driver mod, honestly. It's been a while since he's drifted.
I could whip a Previo harder than that car.
Just the same in the end, over and over again. All that we do is pretend.
Car.
Yeah, there's so many bugs in this car.
There's a black one that's about the same size. There's some tiny white ones.
Yeah.
And then there's those ones.
They're everywhere.
They're just chilling.
All that we do is pretend.
Lay me down, I'll start again. You're not around, I can't pretend that I won't drown, that life won't end. I'm bleeding out, I lost a friend. Lay me down, I'll start again. You're not around, I can't pretend that I won't drown, that life won't end.
Beauty shots have concluded with that.
Now we can drive off with all of them.
Oh yeah, let me get a rolling shot of it. All right, foot brake test, go. It didn't even slow down at all.
I'm not even surprised. The driveway nice and safe here. I felt that one. Oh crap, you're supposed to back it in.
We'll do that after time's done.
All right, we got the G in the G-Raj. Hey, is this the Garage 33 right here?
I guess. At this point, yeah. Probably. Jiggo's right. I didn't want
Gonna start pulling this diff out. What are you doing to the diff?
Well, I'm not doing it.
We're just gonna take it out.
We're just taking the diff out for fun, and we're gonna spray some metal in there. JB weld this thing.
We're gonna JB weld the diff.
Get her to not one wheel peel anymore, so that'll be fun.
Putting in some work.
Oh, hey. First one down.
Dang, dude. The PB blaster must really help because I couldn't get them to move.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it came out fine. Ready? Let's try that Ryobi. I have faith in the Ryobi.
Check.
Alrighty. Earplug time for me.
Rip the mic. Are you going left?
Yeah.
Alright.
I just don't think it has the juice in this. It's only got 2 bars. Alright. Here we go. Come on! Alright, watch out, this might fall on you. Not the diff, but the bolt. So,
Here, hold the camera.
yeah, because this has a stud in here, so it's gonna be a little bit tricky, but we can just take this off if we have to, but it's like underneath all this stuff, so. Can you get it by hand?
I got the clamp off.
Yeah, clamp's
It's not
off.
coming off.
Hey, your bushings look pretty good.
Solid.
Alright, we'll just lower it and it should pop out.
Alright.
Oh, it's gonna make a mess. Let it make a mess. Look, it starts spilling everywhere.
Oh,
Alright, so I think, Tim, what we're gonna do, back up a little bit, and we'll just let it drop.
It's been hung up on his
That
ass.
hose is about to pop off. It's coming off.
There we go. That was actually pretty smooth for a diff.
The diff is free.
The beast.
Stupid open diff.
Not for any longer.
We take it open and it's actually a welded diff already. The bushings are pretty good. Look at the bushings are like really good. What the
Yeah,
heck?
that's like it's loosey goosey in there.
I know it is.
I've never had a diff spin so easy.
I know. All right, well, we promised ourselves as soon as the diff's out, we're going to Wendy's. So, yeah, time to redeem ourselves.
Just the car.
Well, guys, this is Tim's first time driving right-hand drive. He said he wouldn't do it, but he's doing it anyways. He does a rolling burnout like the G35. Jacob's like, dude.
Turbo.
Holy crap, dude! It just clears it like that. What a
Yeah, because
Wow.
I put it in high
what a
mode.
monster truck.
I'm gonna put it back into normal mode.
I think this is like the first car we've taken to Wendy's.
Are we getting
Biggie bags?
all the same thing again?
I think we need biggie bags. We get
Alright.
a lot of work.
Better than the G. Yeah, put next to him. Use
I wonder when the 5 runner's coming out.
Man, it's been so long, dude.
I mean, I personally like the 3 runner or the 2 runner.
Yeah, I'm honestly probably gonna get a RAV5.
The original runner was pretty cool though. Wrong side.
Okay, take this. And this.
Did you get the O'Reilly's biggie bag?
And this.
Yeah, it's O'Reilly's biggie bag. It's just
And this.
just
Here's that too.
just 2 quarts of 75 W90 and a can of brake clean.
4 for 4, baby.
It's Wendy's time. The Garage 33 meal.
When you go to Wendy's, everyone asks for the Garage 33 meal. It's a Sprite and a biggie bag with
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce.
Well, you have to order 3 at the same time. You have to pull up the drive-thru and be like, hi, can I get 3 biggie bags, all Sprite, all awesome sauce?
What he said.
And the more you say 3, the better.
Yeah, can I get 33?
Can I get the 3 for $3 coming soon, guys? 3 entrees for $3.
All those collabs with McDonald's, and we're over here collabing with Wendy's already.
Man, it's a valuable asset. No one's explored the land of Wendy's yet.
Yeah, Cactus Jack doesn't have anything on us.
I still can't believe Travis Scott makes all those burgers, man.
Yeah, he must be really busy.
How does he get to all the different locations and stuff?
Mind blowing. He's got like he must have a G35.
Yeah,
Must be
speedy.
really
with the welded diff. That's nasty.
Whoa. Wait, do a little test. Whoa! This is gonna be fun. Wait, do it one more time. I'm gonna get a cool thumbnail. Yeah, baby! That's so cool.
That's fine, yeah.
Now, under the brake clean, it's cooler.
Yeah, I get it to catch. Nice,
Pointing at us.
Whoa! What if you just let it eat for a second? Oh no, the wood thing is gonna catch on fire. Oh, I smell the oil.
I like when it fizzles.
Wait, oh, do it again.
That's sick.
One more time. That's good, all that oil.
Box caught a little bit there. I'm gonna let it eat a little bit.
That's so cool. Flame. Oh wait, can you do like a little line? Do like the line on the ground and it like, it's so cool though. You can see it like,
We're almost out of the can. The one can should get it clean enough.
here, spray Jacob a little bit, let's get him. All of a sudden I have like a hidden brake clean and we just go. Dude, it's honestly really warm. Like, we should do this like in the middle of the winter.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, if we ever like work on the car, it gets really cold out.
Yeah.
Just gotta get a can brake.
Wait, let me get first person view.
I think the can's out.
Cool enough.
Still all the oil in there.
We still gotta go through it.
Nice.
Starts up like every other 86, honestly. Like those guys in Japan, they all take a few tries. They don't record these welds.
This is good enough. You have come to realize that you are the one who's left behind.
Don't record these welds.
We'll hold for at least 2 times. Spray some brake clean.
All right, boys, we are headed to O'Reilly's to get more brake clean. We gotta just You know, you gotta make sure you're safe always. Like, safety's no joke, so.
We're ready.
Always make sure you're safe.
Wow, clutch.
A new one?
Yes, it is. New.
You know, you can just wear this full face helmet.
Actually, I probably could get away with it.
I don't think I'm ever gonna wear these. If I give it to you, you can keep it. Just don't lose it.
Oh, sweet, dude. I got an official O'Reilly's mask.
That's limited.
That is extremely.
Do we have enough RTV and everything?
Yeah, we definitely have RTV.
We got the drinks.
Finally.
Tim's let me drive the G. Oh man, this boy locks his car everywhere. It was so warm. You got first person view. Wait a second, I gotta get. Okay. Oop, sorry, I wasn't aimed right. I was just looking through the viewfinder, I'm like, alright, go, and I just sprayed it, goes straight at Jacob.
Actually, you know what? We're just going no nozzle.
Told you, man, that's the way to do it.
Accurate. It's a thick bead. Nice.
You're laying dimes, man.
Very nice.
That's it. That's good.
Diff cover install.
Almost.
Hang on.
I'm pretty sure this is the right way because...
This diff's welded. There's already fluid in there.
Here, look at some spice.
No. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. No. Dude, I only had a TikTok for like a month and I was like, dude, this sucks.
You're kind of crooked, actually. These two are lined up now. Dude, perfect. Haha, get it? Dude, perfect. Good channel.
Honestly, not a bad channel, even now.
I don't watch it anymore, but man, in the back in the day.
Every now and then they pop up and trending.
Really? Mine, they haven't popped up at all in mine.